Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The Bling
Line. Can't go phone last week.
Phone last week,
And then I watch it. Then what about food?
Uzagareya.
Bling, bling.
Umetana mazomhale.
Bling, bling. Bling, bling.
Hello. Uzagareya. Uzagareya. Hello, ma'am. Look, we are in a festive and jovial mood here at work.
That's lovely.
It's our boss's birthday.
Oh, that's amazing.
So instead of singing the normal "Happy Birthday, Beyonce," you know that one?
Yes.
We've got a new one that we sing here at work. It says, Ozagareya, Homechana Masomhale. Ozagareya.
That's lovely.
So we need sopranos.
That's nice. Okay. So
what the song means, Zachariah. Zachariah. Zach
yeah. I don't
is dating
care.
Somalians.
Oh, and that is whose business? No one's. Okay. Lovely.
Well, what do you when you say whose business?
Oh!
Do you mean like the spaza shop?
No.
Or like
No.
I need you to be a bit clear.
No. Can we not talk about this? Is that okay?
Okay.
Yeah, because it has nothing to do with the reason I've called.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Sorry, who am I speaking to? Is it Sarah?
Yes. It's me again.
Sarah, is alles reg by jy?
Sorry, man. We're just in a jovial mood.
And you thought that it was appropriate to tell me about like Zach and Somalians.
I think I got ahead of myself because
As
I know when you
always
call,
do. Okay.
I want to be your friend.
Oh, why don't you just say so, Zach? So you treat me badly because you want to be my friend.
No. This time, I want to be your friend.
Oh, you didn't want to be my friends the times before.
No. So I was trying to ascertain the kind of person you are.
And what did you come
I think
to?
maybe we can get along.
Oh, really?
Yes.
All right, Zach, let's try this. Next time I call, can you just say hello and then I'll tell you what I want and then it happens. Then there's no like back and forth and stuff. Let's just see what happens. Let's see how it feels. Let's get it out.
Build a friendship. Yeah, a friendship.
Oh, I can't hear you, Zach. So
you
sorry.
hear a person and you
Sarah.
see a person in different circumstances.
Yes, and I think we've seen each other in a lot of different circumstances. So I'm just adding to what we can try.
Okay. And then maybe after that I can see you at your house when we have a braai.
Okay, thanks, Sarah. Can you please put in the airtime for the show?
All right, there we go.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, Zachariah.
This is service provider that I use. Such a jovial mood. Malani bantu basekhaya, welcome to the Bling Line.
Yaqhuba iphathi emsebenzini e-call center kaloku bazalwane. Ayizonqanda zii-calls.
This is the best call center in the world. Welcome to the Bling Line, guys. A
Shabuze,
show by you, for you, where we read all your comments from our previous episodes.
100%. Igama lam uZuko Sisaloyiso Ndima Damzwibiri Damzwaiko Iyana on the run. And yeah, khalte bese ichazile ke ba ihamba njani le nkqubo yanamhlanje. So without further ado, I think masitshone khona.
Okay.
Uthini wachumile Somthwewu?
Somthwewu uthi kweyocisha sana between me and my brother ndithi he must die first.
Whoa!
We only got each other. Akho bazali. If I die first uzoshiyeka nabani? And I don't think he's strong enough for that. Noko mna ndibethiwe zinzingo zomhlaba. Ndizolila. Then I get myself up to be right. That is such a wild thing to kind of compare yourself to omnye umntu in that way.
Kukomelela. But bakhona nyana abantu ombonayo bayakomelelanga.
Okay.
Yeah. Mna xa socinga mna ndomelela.
Kufa. Ayikancane.
Insimbi. Uyinsimbi kabani? Ndiyinsimbi.
Next time ngingathi nomelele.
Awumelelanga wena qha une-tough exterior.
Yazi laba nomelelanga.
Hayi man, ndiyakucingela nje. Because I suppose mhlambi awukakudisplay okokomelela. Ndikubone ndibe convinced ba hayi umelele le esendlini.
Because nothing too bad has happened to me.
Or even maybe the things that have happened to you, ndiyakubona indlela odilishana nazo ngayo.
And ayondlela yomeleleyo.
Ayomelelanga, like ayikho bulletproof.
Okay. That's good to hear.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. So, yeah, and ndiyazi kodwa achumile nebrother yakhe. What a conversation to have, kodwa also. Kodwa ke yonke loo nto leyo, I hope nalo conversation ixubeke nepolisi nentoni because into yomamelezayo umuntu ngenye ixesha. Kuba kubekho noko ipolisi
aftercare.
Akandiwesi njengoba aswele umuntu ungabinayo nenjani.
Bruh.
Ibe ibikhona opportunity yoba mayibe khona ibekwe. So I hope those conversations are also in the same thing. Kungaphikiswani
Ngokomelela kanti akho nix.
Nakhe siqhayise ngoba hayi ke mna ke ndikhuphe i-60,000. Omnye bese ukhuphe i-80,000 sixoxe leyo.
100%.
No, absolutely. Thank you for that, Achumile. Limitless Tato. Uthi, isiziba is sidiba in Tswana. That's so cool.
And in Pedi, your favorite language.
Oh, yes.
Look at you smiling.
Andihamba ndigeza njani kanjani. Uthixo kandisikelela ngabantwana ndingasuke ndibe nabantwana abangamapedi. But iprogram ngumntwana. So andihamba.
You guys must move to Limpopo. Nibafake in Pedi schools. They'll be Pedi.
Oh, that's actually right. Abuye bazosifundisa apha endlini. Yes, hey, usungayazi manje kwezi language ba what kukopa ntoni entweni.
No, 100%, especially with ezi zethu.
Yes, which is really, really cool though. I feel like they just show us how kind of related we are as South Africans as well. That brings a really warm feeling to my heart.
For sure. I know for a fact that other like tribes like moved to different places outside of kwezindawo bavela kuzo and then took obviously languages zabo to those places and then certain words kind of got integrated that way to the new spaces that they were in.
Oh, okay. I can totally get that also because umuntu mhlambi uzawahamba yesamwe and then but ufika lingekho igama elo gama pha. That's my question. I wonder how it all kind of happened.
All right, uthi athulemla embulu etsomo abakhaya.
Washa. Ngoba ngongezantsi okanye ngentla athu.
Nihambe ngevan because we know that. Nihambe ngevan because asinandlela. Oh, you'll regret it. Nitsho xa nikhona senze ibrayi.
Phika lokudlo. Yabona. Afuneka usinabisele ngoba njawoni, you understand? Ngezantsi ngentla like uThalita yena ngumuntu uyathanda xa iyophola aye kundulutsolo. You understand? Ayo relax apha for the day xa kuclean up endlini. Ehle nebhokhwe late.
Woo! Hayi bo. Izoyika kangaka ibhokhwe sensihlanga.
Really?
Yo, what if he hit you?
And I hate you, right? Ezokuheda bumile kaloku nakuba uthethe ngakuheda bumile izakayi zokuheda. Man. Nigga, I feel like funeke sibuyele elalini ngoku as adults.
We have gone as adults.
No, with information now and ChatGPT that's going to tell but ayizokuheda lepo. Ayizizabhokwe ezihedayo ezi.
Kuheda ezvi.
Ezithile.
Oh, your answers aren't giving me any confidence.
Uyamthina mina oyeka uxholwa inkukhu. Amen.
Ngubani ufuna uxholwa inkukhu? Carry on. Is it me?
Ungayiphakamisa inkukhu.
Ndiyiphakamiselana. Ithe ifuna uphakamisa.
Kaze nayo iza nayo.
Dize nayo. Okay. Ndivelaphi mna.
Uvele egadini kaloku ezantsi.
Okay, inkukhu ndizisaphi.
Uyizisa ekitchen.
Ngoba ayizodwa.
Izoxelwa lo. Uhleli.
Let's move on.
I can't believe we're watching this podcast for free.
I also can't believe it.
Oh, mate.
We also can't believe it, my babes. We're all in this boat together. None of us can swim.
Happiness esifumanayo apha. Thank you, Blinks, for this. Hayi ke nindigqibile kula. Ugqibele nini ukutya? Ugqibele nini uthetha nomnye umuntu? Kudala uthule. Oh, ndingakhala. Now shame I wouldn't know what to say. Kumntu ozinuka. Kumntu ozinukela umlomo without okay.
It's the
Don't say
ozinukela.
that. Shit is without sounding offensive. Kwa ukuxelela umuntu makasuse into ebusweni inzima kum because izaba ngathi ndiyamhlaza umuntu nangona ndimnceda. Yo!
Hayi for
Yo,
nini?
andiphakathi inside ke leyo. Oh.
Izaba ngathi uyandihlaza ukundihlaza to leave me walking around looking like this.
Uyandibetha akungona undihlaza xa undiyekile.
That's so insane.
Hayi ngoku sensithi abantu mabasusa izinto sayingekho into ndiyapractice.
Yeah. Hayi sukile ngayimkile mtshana.
Practice. Practicing how to put it in naturally in a conversation. That's well. Guys, you know what? Like, do you know, like, things need practice, Erks.
True. Also veske ukwazi ngenye imini to tell people.
We're under pressure.
Yeah. No.
Oh, asoze ukwazi.
Yeah, true.
Asoze ukwazi.
Practice khani ngapractice apha kum.
Correct. But the tip that I have on that, yithi makayisuse sukuyisusa ngokwakho. That's the one tip
people
that I
have
have.
tried to take off my thingy. This thing is a
That's
permanent
Zumba.
feature. So many times. And each time it happens, I know exactly what's going to happen. Yenzumbeni. Oh, Yinina Sana. This is your first time of wanting Zumba. Like, I'm so confused. What? Also, you've known me for 15 years. What's happening?
Wow. So kama boyika ukuxelela ukuba kanti uxhaphile wena soloko ebona umuntu uxhaphile kanti unensumba.
Insumba ingadanga ngiqabile dog. It's so evident. Oh. Story of my life. Thanks, Shane.
Insumba is wild.
Twanelo Mufukeng says, I've always wondered if people with no teeth at all brush or just What are they brushing, my babes?
It in sentence. Did you brush your teeth?
You can't wonder this. Twanelo, focus.
That's wild. Also.
You can't brush your gums.
But I mean, I've never thought about that.
No, I've also never thought about it. No. Because Namazinya, that's why we haven't thought about it. Problems we don't have.
If ukhona umuntu mhlawumbe let's say ongenamazinyo apha enasiyeni ku-audience yethu like i-toothbrush bana awubinayo no need awubinayo toothbrush okanye mhlawumbe nezinyo elinye no ways, bro. No ways, no ways.
What are you doing with one tooth?
Maybe little right, amanye wrong.
You like to do what?
Kaloku amanye wawakhutshiswa yile nto uba wrong.
And then you left one.
Li-right alikho wrongwanga.
But what are you going to do with it?
Kaloku mhlawumbe ungafaka i-falls. Masiyeke.
No teeth at all.
Okay, sure. Wow.
Asinayimbendulu. But
Sanelo, we don't know.
I don't think you should have a toothbrush if you don't have teeth. If you do have a toothbrush and you don't have teeth, good for you. Tell us
Sure.
what you do with it.
Okay.
And if it doesn't hurt your gums, is it a soft tooth?
No, but then I'll brush. Why are you brushing?
Why do you have a
My-
toothbrush?
I've got a
Okay.
usamngelisiwe uthi molweni mablings the country. You can check your breath by licking the back of your hand. I tried this. I saw this comment and I tried it, and I think it works. Or anywhere. Lick the back of your hand or anywhere. Wait until it's dry, smell it, and you'll find how your breath smells, like without asking anyone. Now ice cream.
We're gonna wait until it dries.
Yes.
Find
Then
out
you
how it
can
breath-
smell.
No,
how-
no. I'm not curious about your breath. I'm curious about mine.
Yeah, what
Oh,
Kauleza. Isn't that part of being siblings, bro?
No, not when you're 45.
Okay, cool. Okay, fair. So we just tried
And
it.
now,
We'll
if
see how
it
works.
stinks, funeka uyovasa isandla sakho ngoku because ubuhamba ne. Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I'm sure yana yayeka look. Say so Malayam. Yeah, kunjani?
Yeah, no.
Okay, thanks for that, Samgelisi. We'll check again in the next minute, maybe after the next comment. But
Alright.
in that one.
So satisfying says, I think the best way of letting someone know that they have bad breath is by offering them gum. But if awunayo uthi mntase, I love you. What if I don't love you? And I don't want you to embarrass yourself in front of people. So let's go get mints.
Yeah.
Oh, Hassan.
Oh, that's tough.
Oh my God. You want to smell?
After that reaction, I'm joking.
No, but like, it's like, this is really, it's such
Wow.
a real
Is
smell. Yes.
it- Wow.
It's insane. Can't look at that.
Oh no. Ah no.
Do you think it smells
It's like a
good?
bit of roses.
Do you think it smells good?
I mean, it
Yeah,
doesn't
my
smell
breath-
bad.
No, it doesn't smell bad.
Hectic. That's so hectic.
Thanks
Ah.
for coming to our TED Talk.
Yo, that's a tough one. I love you.
Oh.
I love it.
If you never said you love this person before in your life, so can I understand?
Let's go get mints. But I appreciate the both of us in this thing, and not saying to the person, but yeah, for the number of money mint.
Masambe, so right.
Masambe so bambi means.
Still embarrassing.
Yeah, correct. But guys, we can't run away from embarrassment.
No.
We can't run away from embarrassment, and we need to think to ourselves, but what's worth more to us, the feeling that embarrassment or
Fixing the situation.
fixing the situation
Yeah.
to save the person from even more embarrassment?
Sure.
I say kuthethwa ngayo is strange.
Yeah. All right. Thanks.
God,
so
it's so
satisfying.
satisfying. Usposam Makinana Uti. My uncle had a very aggressive cancer and ultimately left us after 2 years last year. Condolences, Uspo. When T-Mani first asked the question, I said, I'd go first. But when Tazooks brought up Intlungu, I'd let them go no matter how much it hurt me. I remember crying about all the pain my uncle was constantly under, wishing I could take it away. I find solace in the thought that at least akeva ntlungu yena ngoku, even though ke zikhala kuthi ngoku.
Mm.
But ke if sobabini si right, si healthy, I ungcono ndim ke mna kuqala amabethu nana. I couldn't handle another heartbreak bandla. Selfish, I know, but ke.
You'd be surprised at what you can handle.
Yeah. No, absolutely. I at that you'd be very, very, very,
Yeah.
very, very surprised, and
Mm.
I'm sure you also surprise yourself from time to time. Yeah, Wolfram.
Yeah, look, it's it's definitely a tough one, but I think a lot of us have started thinking of it in that way, ubani ngizomshiya ezindlungini, and have maybe changed our minds about it, and that's just love, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure. For sure. And that's one thing that we really appreciate about this pod, you know?
Mm-hmm.
We get to hear different perspectives from each other, but then also from you guys. Shout out.
Utulin Buyazi. Someone said kwenye episode that Zuko sits like he's moneyed, and now I can't answer it. Come on, mate. He really does have a posture of Pardon my Xhosa, I'm Zulu, but I love you guys extra because Nyateta. Great show always. Thanks.
Shout out, Lynn.
That's so insane. Uthini wena ngalonto?
Ndithi endinazo ingxaki enodilishana nazo ndiyadilishana nazo ezingapha kwam ndiziphosela umnikazi wazo Thixo ngokwakhe buqu adile.
Okay. Fair. Hayi fair. Then ungumuntu ohlala like you are safely in the arms of Jesus.
Oh! You.
Usana.
Baba.
And that's
wow,
can look
that's
like
the most
Kungena
random
Mali.
thing, bro. That's the most random thing ever. Khasinikeza inye reference ngobani abanye sibaziyo bahlala ngathi kwenze abantu
uzobajonga ubone ba what it looks like. Ungazilibala uzijonga ke nawe bhuti.
Sure. So usposam ubuyile again at 15 minutes. But forgetting to brush your teeth happens nje. Fair. That's happened to me.
Mm-hmm.
I've been rewatching episodes Zenu, and I'm not sure which episode it is, but I remember Omnye Wenu, I think it was Uta, but don't quote me.
Uta wena chomi. Oh no, it was me. Sorry, my bad.
And there's another outing, but
Okay.
forgot to brush their teeth. Wayicinga sekude endlini. It happened. So uright umbuzo ka King Tha ke netone ibalulekile.
Oh, baluleke ukufa.
Oh, that's the most important thing. Like,
but I
you can
just
say
feel like,
anything.
I know. I just feel like as a Xhosa person, you're not going to get away with sounding nice a lot of the time. Just because it tones here, do you have to bahash?
But I suppose it's incentive to kind of think about it.
Yeah, beforehand, yeah.
Before we take it, because we're rough, I believe.
We are.
I believe as Xhosa people, we're rough. So
we rough with ourselves, we rough with each other, just in the way we talk.
Correct. So, what a whole new behavior that one person needs to learn, bro.
Uthi usihle sixaso. Road to 40K subscribers. You can check your breath by licking the back of your hand and smell that. Or if you're not sure, just have gum.
If in doubt, have gum, mate.
But I think telling someone they have bad breath is so difficult. I could never do it. Plus, inkloni on the other person, shame, man.
But also, let's get to the thing of it. But if you've got bad breath, where does that come from?
From the germs in your mouth.
So you having bad breath is a sign that you have germs in your mouth. So what I'm trying to get to what makes it embarrassing. The fact that your oral hygiene is in question.
Yes, the fact that you have germs in your mouth. That's what makes it embarrassing. Look, we all have germs in our mouth.
Exactly.
But ezakho germs.
Ziyalwa. Ezethu zihleli ezawe zilwa namajoni omzimba. Ezethu germs zihleli ngepost ngathi zinemali.
Oh, they've just been in there for too long. Khambi, vasanga, and that's what makes them smell. But okusala germs zikhona.
It's fine, but so what I'm trying to get at is let's get to the bottom of the embarrassing part. Because ezakho ijams ziyaphuma apha emlonyeni because uyadica xa uthetha wena uthetha nathi ungxola the whole day. Now I've just been quiet. So ijams zam.
Do you know what else is embarrassing? Oh. For me. Oh. And now you've seen that with Tufel. But I'm trying not to make it a big deal.
I don't want my man to know that I'm selling Jinake.
There's too much happening.
What do you do?
I've done this many times. I did this last week. Do you even see it? Did you air with me and then continue? So we are going. Oh, sis, that's
I get so embarrassed. I don't remember it.
But the person has seen it. So you're just making the embarrassment go longer. I feel call him shalom.
Oh, sorry.
Oh. Tell her sorry actually, because you've seen that you spat on me. And you're just gonna carry on like, actually, you're the problem. You know what? The next time, the next time someone spits on you by mistake and they say nothing, just say, babe, you spat on me. Are you gonna not do anything about this? Don't shy away from it because it was bonile.
Come down, get with the babe. Hello, that dog. Crazy.
No, it's
okay.
I think we're making this worse. Specifically. Hi,
Can we go to the next one? We've already gone through this comment.
Oh yes, we've gone through this one.
Zoingani uthi indibambe ngoku lo post nasal drip shame. Now I know my mom used to be like that too. Umve yedwa ecaweni clearing her throat. Beste indoni trick ye post nasal?
Gargle salt.
Oh, okay. Phone uyoli besijo na him. Oh, fantastic. Thank you. Okay, gargle salt. Got it.
Gargle with salt, especially ebusuku. Because that's when mine comes. If you get ebusuku mostly.
Gargle with it.
And spit out. Yeah.
Okay.
Don't swallow.
What does that do? What's the sign?
It dries up the drip part. Not just a little bit of salt. It must taste like salt water. So it dries up the moisture.
Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay. Danke siyabonga.
Uthi ayanda sabi makola. To the board. Kukhala group ithandwa ngama-7 yasemelika endingazuyibiza ngegama but le body reminded me of a song of theirs that says, little flowers never worry when the wind begins to blow, and they never cry when the rain begins to fall. Oh, it's wet and oh so cold, soon the sun will shine again, and they'll smile unto the world for their beauty to behold.
So let it rain, let it rain, let it pour.
Njalo njalo. Hey, let rupa ngafuna ubizwa ngegama.
Yeah.
My point, rain is to a flower what fire is to a diamond, a tool of growth on the journey to greatness. Oh, well,
rain is
to a flower what fire is to a diamond. A tool of growth on the journey to greatness.
Ooh.
Very well put.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Siyabulela ngosi kakhulu. Detective.
Detective Bola.
Ngosi siyabulela. Aviwe Nikina uthi Tamsuaiko has clearly never had a bad nosebleed. You would know that the nasal cavity and the throat are pretty interconnected. Had one of those bad boys and I was standing. Felt like I was drowning and choking on my own blood. Ain't never seen my granny so scared, poor lady. Wow. Now I'm not going to say a nosebleed. Why you cauterized? Oh, come on now.
Well done. I never thought
you
could
cauterized. In nosebleed, yeah, I've never had like a really, really bad nosebleed awake. I've woken up with a pillow full of blood.
Oh, damn.
And I've had like minor nosebleeds, but never like a bad one.
Yeah, ever since I was cauterized, I never.
Really? Zangu Pino nosebleed ever?
Yeah, but my other side did. I think it's the side that still does. But it was never that hectic
Oh,
because
okay,
I got cauterized on this side.
Oh, lekker.
That's so wild also. Why?
You're small though.
I was like an early teen.
Yeah, but give me Bob.
Bruh, so I didn't get drugs.
Yeah, no. Yeah, I remember that actually very faintly.
That's crazy.
Thank you, Abiwa.
Thanks, Aviwe. Uthi usithokozile mamba. Oh, I miss high jump days
Miss it.
in primary school. Only competed because I was a super tall kid and the teachers liked involving me, which I didn't mind because it meant I spent less time in a class and more time training. Also tried long jump and I was terrible at it. Always at a number 2 or 3. How is that terrible? Watched the Olympics in 2024 and I genuinely believe I could do 2 meters had I went to a proper high school and then bag a gold medal in Paris. Toko. Just jogging your school so hard. They stood in the way of your gold medal.
In Paris.
In Paris. Chomi, make a video of yourself. One is about how far you are from 2 meters.
Yeah. And then go izojamba bubuza ifumana la medal.
And if siyabona bakukho potential, ayike sizoyayiva.
Did we ask the question of what do you think would be the thing that you would most likely get a gold medal for?
No.
If you were
We
to
asked
participate in the
ourselves.
Olympics?
No, we didn't.
What do you think?
Currently at this moment.
Janelle.
That's so wild.
I'd try swimming.
Yeah, I try swimming too, actually.
I'd try swimming.
Yeah. No, our swimming is ridiculous. We swim like fish. Effortless.
Yeah,
Without a
but now you have to choose your own. Then you get amo.
Okay, kan ketele.
Pole vault.
I knew it. I don't know. Hockey.
Would you? Oh, fair. Fairs. Ah, lekker. Ah, but that doesn't count in the group medal. You know? It was
Okay, fine.
Mahashes. Is it on the question of would I rather die first or my partner? I would rather he goes first just to spare him the heart. Which one is having a collab?
Yay, she's gone.
Which would also make our kids miserable. I believe.
And you and
Kanokubeka is much.
abantwana.
Let me read the rest of the comments.
Sorry.
I believe I'd be able to at least try and console our kids, but I don't think he would.
Oh, wow.
I've seen how he deals with grief and he doesn't deal with it at all and it eats him up, and I would not want to have to deal with losing his partner around his kids because that would mean our kids lost both their parents just from losing me.
Oh, damn, son.
Duff. And you know what, guys? I don't know, man. Is there a room for a grief conversation? That sounds like such a crazy thing to talk about when it's not happening.
But it's also the worst thing to start talking about when it's happening.
Correct.
Yeah.
There's no worse time.
Yeah.
So what does that mean? Does that mean this opens up a thing to be like, even possibly ukuthi uthini iyandoyikisa indlela ogriva ngayo as umvula conversation?
I mean, maybe not those words.
It's a bit can't. Yeah, but now you want to tell me how to grieve.
No, you can't come at
I
someone
get
with
worried.
prescription. Yes.
I get worried.
Yeah, I get worried about how you deal with grief. Please talk through me. Talk it with me through. Talk it through with me.
That's true.
Talk it through with me how you feel when grief happens to you. Kan balisela ba uziva njani? That's the way to start a conversation, not to go.
Yeah.
You.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. So for me, that I like that a lot. And also the concern part.
Mm.
Hey, but also that can go in two ways. Yeah,
don't do the concern
sbana
part.
worry, chum.
You're right. No worry. Don't say you're concerned because you just want to know about what happens.
Yes, don't talk about yourself.
Don't talk about yourself, but also don't point a finger at the other person.
Yes. Fair.
Yeah. Maybe you could even start with it, which ba yazi xa ngigriva mna i-stages ze-grief zam zihamba olu hlobo, and this is the stage I get stuck at. Wena ihamba njani for wena?
Yeah.
So then the person doesn't feel attacked.
Fair.
Mm.
Fair, I like that.
Mm.
Yeah, ulahlanga.
Chomi?
Hleli nyoko. Ufunde kunomathamsanqa.
Samsanga.
Chobodi.
Uthi ndikwi-on and off relationship nomuntu one-problem.
Wah.
Nomuntu one-problem yomlomo.
Foni sithi funeka siwaveze amagama abantu kule show.
Yeah, foni khange ngathi masibe anonymous khanga bhale back man. Anonza. And the on and off nale relationship so was not serious. My first kiss with him, ndothuka ndambuza utheni umlomo wakhe wacacisa.
Enana nombuzo othukile. Uthi and then
Sangena kwi-routine yoba axukuxe because bi-affecta mna ndingafuni kiss.
Oh.
Problem yakhe wayesitya i-sweets emncinci. His mom Oh, this is not even funny. His mom didn't pay attention. Yoba morning brush teeth and before you sleep. Usenjalo nangoku, I have to tell him.
Ndimkhumbuze man.
Friend yam yona ndayixelela sivuka kokwayo ba mayivase ulwimi lwayo.
Mhlawumbi kaloku yayiwinda nolwimi lagodola so le nto linengobo.
Wathi it makes her vomit. Nathi. You're not the only one, homo boy.
When didn't that be the first every morning?
Also, where you going? Tell us of vomit. Oh.
You look I'm like blind. But then I also realized that when you look at so yet deep so brush tonsils.
Exactly. I-gag reflex yakho ayikho. Labe elakhe limhlophe even today akafuna ulivasa. Ndijonga kude xa ethetha.
Yeah.
Ndihlalela kude kuye.
Nomathamsanqa awunawo sisi amathamsanqa at all.
Why is this your life story? Both know problem yemilomo yabo bakhethe ungenzi into. Oh. Chomi, khetha uhamba wena kula relationship.
No, ndiyakuthanda wena ngoba unenyaniso wena uthetha into emntwini. Uyishiye kuye esiqwini. I like that about you so much. Like I think you're a great person.
Look, if you don't, okay, if you have a problem, you're konyuluka. Brush the front half of your tongue. Brush something. Mawo yikuya back. Do something. Not kaba. Oh, and zikhona ke guys ngoku izinto zoklina i-tongue yakho without
uyalithi. And then uyiqale apha.
Ewe. So it's not an excuse because a toothbrush is not the only thing that cleans your tongue. Mhlawumbi umthengele ke nomathamsanqa.
Kutheni iduty yakhe ngimeme kaNomkathami?
Because uThami funeka ahlelele kude ngoku uTshomaki. Ajonge kude xa ibalisa ingxaki zayo.
Mengathi akekho interested. Dibulela ndathi nathi.
And also
guys,
us, my best. You're not the only
Oh man, guys, life, bro. Yo, life is something else, my friend, you know ways, bro.
Oh no, mathamsanqa xolo
Yeah.
my darling. Kodwa leyo bhuti ongafuna ufasa amazinyo.
Akafuni ke.
That's insane.
Yeah, no. Because akawuva
But yes, but into lemgezisayo lo bhuti. Usathola ama-cherry.
Nontsok. Yeah, uyacengwa.
Exactly. Usafumana ama-cherry nje. What would motivate him to brush his teeth?
I mean, should you be motivated to brush your teeth? You know what I mean? Like,
Well, I mean, oral hygiene motivates me to brush my teeth.
fairs. But
But
now
oral
try my
hygiene
experience.
is not a motivator for everyone.
Look, I mean, hygiene in general, because there's things that I'm sure that there's things that you all have and things that you do ne, that are not ideally what you should be doing.
Sure.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
Mhlawumbe umzekelo ngigqibele nini uyihlamba i-dread. Like yancokola msejo. Just no mayicingele ngaphakathi.
Okay,
You understand? Gqibele nini go to the dentist. Gqibele nini, you know those things.
That we don't do that we should be doing
Yes.
more often or just
Correct.
doing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kodwa uvasa izinyo chance. Awungeke smiley. Then ufuna undibuza. Uyazi uba uxukuxanga wena since Friday.
Kaloku zilips, kaloku kissing. Thanks, Tammy. Thanks, Tammy. Ndiyayithanda i-approach yakho, Chomi. I wish into zikulungele. Miss Musi, uthi, you hand them a piece of gum and then tell them, hey, mate, akuhambi kakuhle vandag. If it's a problem, then you tell them that they should consider getting checked regarding breath.
Yeah, I like that. I like that, Jay, by the way, approach. Not Taba, I love you, Chomam, go.
The trivialness of it.
Yes, the trivialness of it, where you just like, hey,
yeah. Fair. Because then you can both laugh at it and then you make grand and then it's fine.
Yes, because somebody can be like, Wanyani. Oh, I was
utule apho all along.
Yeah, for sure.
Hey, binto ethile ngeayinyunge ningayityanga ke laa nto that's
easy, now it's over. Now this person's going to be checking on themselves.
Yeah, fair. Especially because ke mhlambi ike isibambe laa nto every once isoze ngokuthi kanti ayikubambe. Akekho umntu immune to laa nto.
Yeah, for sure.
Because nezijongama zize ezinye izinto ezinukisa umlomo because isisu sicimba kukho ukutya okuzayo.
Then it starts producing.
Then kuphume i-acid. I-acid masizanyuka nazo ngomzimba because zikhangela ntoni ukutya oku ungakutyanga because wena usityechepisa. Yayiva?
Yes. Because as soon as you start chewing and producing more
saliva,
saliva, then it goes down. Then your stomach's like, oh, okay. And as zinto that are used to break down your food,
the acid, gas.
They come to the fore.
Kuthiwa siphakama mkam bakubone. Zikhona ke ngoku zi-ready for uthini ukwenza i-action. Ngokunyuka inyongo. Niyazazi nje ningabani nenyongo. Yazitshisa nentoni. So okay. Masisibheke.
Mama Uzbek,
Yeah.
I think we've concluded good ways in which to approach these uncomfortable situations. And I think Andy Pumanayo Kala is like that weird, just trivial way.
Blind, I'm blind.
Yeah, exactly. I think I didn't do by allows you. But the men are low, we go on and off. Of course it's on and off. It's on like that's insane to me.
Yeah,
no, bro, I could never. This is my child. And this is Ukwazi. Oh, I want to know so much more about this story. Is he a cutie patootie? Is that why?
You've got more questions than answers. Wait.
I need to know more of the story. How long has it been on and off? Is he tall and handsome? Has he had other girls before you?
Of course.
I
Now,
blame
why
Mama
am done?
Ntombazana, son.
Nam.
I am
Nam,
busy.
you play Mama Dog.
Yeah, no, there's no way.
Guys, thank you so much. We really, really appreciate it. Spending time with you has become one of our favorite pastimes. So shout out to you guys for making it as good as it is.
All right, cool. So we'll see you guys again next week when we read your comments from episodes zethu. You want your name to be read out on this show. You comment. Nudlala iLotto that you probably win.
Yeah, that's okay.
Thanks, guys. Don't forget.
Love each other.
Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling Light.